The safety of the factory is extremely important. We have the option to install a siren to remind the workers to prioritize safety. Greetings to all. Today I would like to present an explosion-proof sound and light alarm with a high decibel level. The sound and light alarm that I have in front of me is slightly different from the previous ones. It is equipped with a large horn in the front, and its sound can reach up to 180 decibels. As a result, it has a wide coverage area. If you have a large area to cover, then you may want to consider this high decibel alarm. The riot sound and light alarm is utilized in hazardous locations like chemical plants or oil processing plants. The voice content can be customized based on customer specifications. If your factory requires any particular content for reminders, we can offer that service. So, by prioritizing safety, we have the ability to customize the lamp according to your specific requirements. This lamp is designed to be anti-riot, waterproof, and dustproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The installation process is incredibly straightforward, allowing for placement on either the side wall or the ceiling. As long as it is fixed with screws, it can be installed separately. Of course, it can also be used in conjunction with the fire control facilities in your factory. In this case, it can be used independently or in combination. When a fire occurs, it will sound an alarm and emit light to remind everyone to prioritize safety. As for the voltage of this lamp, we can also customize it based on the customer specifications, such as 12 volts, 24 volts, or 36 volts. Our team is dedicated to meeting your requirements and ensuring the highest level of safety and functionality for your fire control system. You have the option to select any color for this lamp, including red, blue, or green, based on the specific preferences of the customer. This lamp is an ideal choice for utilization in factories due to its explosion-proof nature. Its outer casing is constructed from pressed aluminum, while its glass component is made of tempered glass, ensuring exceptional durability. If you do not come into contact with the outside air, it is particularly useful in dangerous places. If you are interested in this lamp, you can pay attention to it. We appreciate the support and thank you, everyone.